This is a major fraud in thousands of crores, and this has to be recovered, and whoever are the guilty should be brought to books. Basically, the issue is like this. For the last 10 years, 102 million tons of coal has been imported in the state of Goa. The figures can be seen in the MPT portal. The state government has failed, despite no stay being there. They failed to basically collect this cess that comes to thousands of crores. 2% cess pahila ashille. And as per that 2%, the value to Goa would have been more than 8,000 crores as revenue. Bariksha, if you look at the new notification they took out and made it 0.5%, out of which 2,100 crores goes to the kitty of the state only with coal and coke. Petroleum is running in another thousands of crores. So if you look that this is a complete failure, this is to protect these crony capitalists. Now Adani, GSW, and it is a major fraud. अरे आता आम्ही पयर पिक्चरा गेल्ले दिल्ली वयता आसतना थिंगा पिक्चर पुष्पा पिक्चर चयता आसतना आमकां थोडे पॉपकॉर्न घेता आसतना तें सॉल्टेड गेले हांवें कॅरमला गेले म्हाका 18% टॅक्स आहले न्ही कॅरमलाचे म्हारग 18% टॅक्स बारीक मनशाक कॅरमल खावपाक आनी 2%ल्यान 0.5% करपाक कारण कितें? And why are you not recovering this? Why are you protecting these people? The Chief Minister has given me an answer saying that last week they have sent a notice to collect this asset citing Supreme Court judgments. Supreme Court, there is no stay. High Court very clearly has said that you collect it. Collect it in thousands of crores. Otherwise you suspend their licenses and cut their power. Sudhin Daulikar preferred first not to answer the question. Suddenly then he preferred to answer the question whenever he felt like, when the Chief Minister was on the floor of the house standing. This is a major fraud in thousands of crores, and this has to be recovered, and whoever are the guilty should be brought to books.
2012 तेंगेलो बरो सरकार म्हणून काँग्रेसा सोडून बीजेपी हाडे जेन्ना बीजेपी हाडे आतां ऑलमोस्ट 12 वर्सां जालीं ओके आमी 25 आहाय आतां सो इतली वर्सां समज तर काँग्रेसान केलां बीजेपीन कितें केलें सुदीन तेन्ना काँग्रेसा हितून मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो मरे आतां तुमी सांगाय म्हाका from 2% they are bringing it down to 0.05%, and that also they are not recovering. सादी वोस आमगेले गोंयकार आज डबल ट्रेकिंग कोळशान रोटाय मोताय लोक जाण कसले डिसीज जाले कॅन्सर जाला सगळोच जाले लोकांची जमीन गेले आतां वेलसांव दिना डबल ट्रेकिंगा लागून हे इशू म्हणजे गोंयकारांक खुसतार हे व्हड अदानी नेम GSW मान पुश करपाचे कित्या लागून
and they have collected only 47 crores from this coal and coke. Adani, Jindal, all they are not even been audited. So this is a complete loot. Last month, just 6-7 days, why were they sleeping for 6 months? And this is a postponed. At 2%, the value, very simple, 100.2 million metric tons of coal and coke has been imported in the state of Goa. On an average, if you look, 38,000 is the price of coal and coke. But if you take an average, it is 22,000 for this many years. So 22,000 into 102 million tons equivalent with the 18% interest of simple interest, say it comes to 8,000. These people have dropped it to 0.5%, which itself is almost 2,100 crores. So when will you recover this? Otherwise, cut the connections and withdraw their consent to operate and power.